Okay, this is the third video in the series. Sorry, this is the fifth one. Value. So the third thing you look for is value. We saw the journey so far, then the team. So the value. What value are you giving to the people? What value are you giving to other businesses? What value are you giving to customers? What value are you giving to people? Because if the value you are giving just ends with those who are buying the tokens, you have failed. There are coins that tell you by just holding the token, you'll be getting money. That is rubbish. You have to offer value. What is the value you are offering? What is your minimal viable product? What is your value proposition? Everything has to do with value. Value. What is the value you are offering to us? Are you just, when you see a coin tells you, oh, we're selling the coin for $1. By the end of the year, the coin should be $70. It should be this. And you see them giving price predictions, it's a sign that that coin has no future. If all they do is money, then it has no value proposition. It has no value. So you should be investing in value. After you have seen the team, the crew, the advisors, the partners, the journey so far, the past, the present, and the future, which I've explained in much later videos, you will be asking for value. What is the value you are giving to us? Seek value, because most of the times people play to these are humans and they know the things that humans want. Humans want money. Everybody wants to make money. Yeah, everybody wants to make money, but how do we get the money? The money comes from value. When you see products like, if we go to the coin market cap now, you will see different products. Some of them launched ICOs. Some of them did not launch ICO. Like, unfortunately, Bitcoin did not launch an ICO, but you see Ethereum. Ethereum launched an ICO. They were selling it for 35 cents. This is offering value. This is ICO style. It gives you it checks the return on investment on ICOs so far. Now look at IOTA. This thing is offering value. Look at a Spectra coin. 1 year that was launched 1 year ago at not even up to 1 cent. This is the value. Look at the return so far. Almost 7,000 times return. Value. What are you offering to us? Look at NEO. Over 3 times return. Over almost 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Value. What are you offering to us? Look at Ethereum. Value. What is the value you're offering to us? Look at Stratis. Over 2,000 times return. Value. Look at ARC. Almost 800 times return. Value. Look at LISC. Over 2,000 times return. Okay, almost 300 times return. Value. What is the value you are offering to us? Look at Populous. Almost 6 months or 7 months ago. Value. What is the value you are offering to us? If you come to NST, the value was one of the best privacy coin out there. IOTA, this using their Tango technology, very good one. Spectra is a privacy coin. NEO is one of the best platforms that is out there from China. Then you not talk about Ethereum, the smart contracts, the ERC20 tokens, the ICOs that are being raised through NEO, through Ethereum, very good. Look at Stratis, offering very good stuff. Look at ARC, the blockchain that connects all other blockchain. This is value. Look at LISC. LISC is like it's like JavaScript. Help people design blockchain stuffs. Value. Look at Quantum, very good. It's similar to NEO and Ethereum. Value. So you should be seeking value. Look at Omisigo. Omisigo helps with payment. Value. Look at Waves. Value. All these platforms. Value. Neblium. Value. Quantum resistant ledger. Value. Be seeking value. Value. Not money. Value. Seek value. What is the value? Value. Be seeking value. Whenever a coin is saying anything, this is what we want to do. What is the value? Look at this platform. Utrus. It was selling for, I think, 6 cents. 0.065. How much is it today? It's almost 90 cents. Sorry, 90 cents, yeah. That is over 12 times return in less than how many days? Value. Not the price, not giving price prediction. Are you giving us value? Give us value. Give us value. Not promising money. Look at Serene Labs. They are producing one of the world's best smartphones and bringing their own blockchain operating system, bringing their own computers. Value. Be seeking value. Look at Naga. Naga did well in their, when we listed on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, they gave over 30 times return. It was one of the best performing stock out there. Value. Look at our simple token. Value. Value. Give us value. Don't stop promising us money. Give us value. Look at Pleki. What are you doing? What are the things? You look at Wabi. Here is Wabi. Look at Wabi. Wabi was selling for 30 cents. It's almost $3 now. Over 100 times return. Value. So you should be seeking for value. What is the application in the real world? Does it, because most of all these coins you see out there, they are almost like, they call them shit coins. Or some people call them scams. Do you have a value? Are you giving us? We place secure and anti-counterfeit labels on consumer products in China and internationally. These are people who already have a kind of working model. Value. You now go to Power Leisure. Value. These are companies who launched the ICO. In many companies, seek value. If it is something that, we just come to CoinMarketCap and we trade it and we make money within ourselves, it has failed. It has failed the purpose. It has to have real life applications. It has to be something that will disrupt a particular ecosystem. Maybe in the pharmaceutical, medical, insurance, traveling, blockchain, finance, trading, investing. We don't care, but give us value. Stop telling us, buy this token for $1 tomorrow or next year is going to be sold. When you see a platform promise you returns, run for your dear life. Even though you can see the symbol in the blockchain space, hold, meaning hold for your dear life, I want to propose my own symbol. ROLD, run for your dear life. Run for your dear life. So you should be concerned with value. Value. If you're not giving value, then they're not worth your money. Because you have someone like Warren Buffett. Are you going to tell Warren Buffett that Warren Buffett invest $1 million of your money into my company? Next 2 years, I'm going to your $1 million will be worth $1 billion. It will be 1,000 times return or 100 times return. If you do that to Warren Buffett, he kicks you out of his office. Ask yourself, when you have the venture capitalist people, guys like Tim Draper or guys in Silicon Valley, in San Francisco, who are actually investing in companies. If you are going there, if someone is either to go there and pitch their idea and they submit their documents to these VCs, the venture capitalists or the angel investors, and say, okay, this is our idea, are they going to promise them returns? No. Are they going to invest based on the promise of? No, they're going to invest and say, okay, does this thing have future? What is the value they are offering to society? So you should be, even though you are not the venture capitalists who have millions of dollars to invest, if you will have $1 to invest, you should be asking for value. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Do have a very good day.